Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to submit the Fusion 360 drawing sheets for the last part of the food checks assignment. Okay, so this is what I'm going to want to see. This is going to be the first snippet. Okay, so go ahead and snip it. I'm going to want to see your name up here. I want to see the data panel open. This part right here. Okay. And then I want to be able to see the food check design here, just like that. Okay. So go ahead and save it. This is the first snippet. Just like that. Okay. So now the second thing that I want you to do is submit a drawing sheet. So you're going to go ahead with your completed check, whether you have the roof or not, whether it's completed or not. I need you to go ahead and turn this assignment in. Okay. So we're going to go design, drawing from design. Okay. This time, what I want you to do is go ahead and choose the C size drawing sheet, 22 inches by 17 inches. Okay, create from scratch. Hit OK. So you're not going to be printing these out. Okay, I just want you to hopefully be able to turn it in as a PDF. Okay, so on here for the drawing view, for the orientation, I want you to drop down and make it northeast isometric. Okay, just like that. I'm going to put it over there. And then I want you to change the style to shaded with hidden edges. And then go and change the scale either from 1 to 20, or I think 1 to 16 will fit. Okay, so hit OK. Okay, so there's a drawing sheet. And so now all I want you to do is, you don't have to dimension them on the tables here. Go to the parts list. Okay, and then drop that parts list right here on the left. Hit that. See that? Then the balloon diagrams will take over. Okay, so on here we can delete this blank. Double click until it turns blue on the parts list, and then just uncheck the description. Okay, so as you can see, I will be able to see how much of your completed framing that you did here. Okay, and then if you had all the parts to it, all the framing parts to it. Okay, so last thing, what I want you to do also on this drawing sheet, you can do here, double click on here until it turns blue. See that? On the title block. Okay, on here, or even on here, let's do it on title. Okay, I want you to go ahead and put your team name. Okay, so add your team names here, just like that. Okay, for the drawing. Finish. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to either, save or export or print. Let's see if you can print as a PDF, or maybe you can even export. Okay, if you have the button here, export as a PDF. Okay, I'm going to hit selected sheet, hit OK. And then you're going to save this as food check with your team name. Okay. And then you should be able to have the drawing here, just like that. Okay, and that's all I'm going to need to see. And you're going to submit this, right? Once you open it, you're going to go ahead and save it. Or if you haven't already, then I'll see your names here. I'll be able to grade it from here. All right. And so on here, let's go back to the assignment. Where are you guys at? Civil engineering. If my mini window's open. Okay. Here it is. Okay, here it is. No, that's not it. Okay, in any case, you're going to turn it in. There you guys are. Okay. You're going to submit both your screenshot. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and include it. And include this video. Screenshot of the Fusion design. And then PDF copy, just like that. Okay, and that is it.